So hi guys, so this is Mark Badwa, your social media marketing guy at One Marketing Services. So I am here today with you guys to share my insights all about social media marketing platforms, and I hope you will gain so much knowledge to it and stick with me till the end. So now let's proceed. So social media marketing platforms by me. So here are the contents of my topic. First is what is social media. Second one is how social media works. Third one is what is social media marketing and what are the social media platforms for marketing. And lastly, the advantages and disadvantages of social media platforms. So first, what is social media? Social media is any digital tool that allows users to instantly generate and share content with the public, which includes a wide range variety of websites and applications. Also, social media can be defined as an array of internet-based platforms which promotes and enhances the sharing of information, have conversations, and create web content. Now, how social media marketing works. Rather, social media works. Social media sites start with a user creating a profile, usually by providing a name and email address or in other words, creating a social media account. Once a profile has been created, users can create and share contents to any social media platforms. Also, social media often uses feeds that allows users to scroll through content. In addition, social media use has evolved into a necessary daily activity. It is commonly used for social interaction, news and information access, and decision making. It is also a useful tool for communicating with others, both locally and globally, as well as for sharing, creating, and disseminating information. Now, what is social media marketing? Basically, social media marketing refers to the process of gaining traffic or attention through social media platforms. SMM or so-called social media marketing also refers to the techniques that target social media networks and applications to spread brand awareness or promote a particular product or services. It is a powerful way for businesses to reach target customers. To sum up everything so far, the use of social media marketing is to engage with your audience in order to promote your brand, improve sales, and drive website traffic. This includes posting high quality materials to your social media pages, listening to and connecting with your followers, evaluating your results, and conducting social media advertisements in order to achieve your marketing and branding goals. So, what are the social media platforms for marketing? So, the major social media platforms at the moment for marketing are Facebook, of course, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. TikTok is the most in-demand application nowadays since the pandemic starts. Since everything is now online, TikTok is very in demand for young adults. Now, first is Facebook. So, what is Facebook? So, Facebook is a website that allows users to create free accounts and communicate with friends, colleagues, and strangers online. It enables users to share images, music, movies, and articles, as well as their own views and opinions with as many people as they choose. Facebook is by far the most popular place for social media marketing. I agree. And advertising on Facebook is an essential way to expand your reach on social platforms. In addition, Facebook ads plays a role in your overall digital marketing by increasing awareness for your brand, attracting leads, and sometimes even converting users into customers. So, Facebook also sends more website referral traffic than any other social media networks. Also, it is geared toward both news and entertainment. Of course, future Outlook places strong emphasis on video content. Now, let's proceed. Oh, it's still Facebook. So, how to create a Facebook marketing strategy? First, we need to identify your Facebook audience. Second, create a social media content calendar. And lastly, generating leads on Facebook. Now it is Instagram. So Instagram is a social media platform that allows you to share photos and videos for free. Since its inception, Instagram has grown in popularity as a platform for connecting with companies, celebrities, thought leaders, friends, family, and others, also so-called social media influencers. Instagram is the second most accessed network behind Facebook. The popular visual first social media sees over 1 billion active monthly users and 500 million daily Instagram stories. Wow, that's a lot of Instagram stories. Now, Instagram can also help you grow your brand awareness and introduce new products. The users um, also engage with shopping content, and Instagram allows you to promote your brand and the product in a friendly, authentic way without hard selling to your customers. What I love in Instagram, it is highly visual networks for social images and short videos. It is good for fashion businesses. It is also used to promote your clothes. Also, not optical for traveling blog or website traffic. And lastly, best suited for strong visual brands. How to build your Instagram marketing strategy. So here are the tips. So first, set up your goals for Instagram. Second, determine your Instagram target audience. Third, conduct a competitive analysis. Fourth, configure an editor calendar. Fifth, build a consistent brand on Instagram, or what we call the branding. And lastly, grow your Instagram followers goals. So let's proceed to Twitter. So Twitter is a microblogging and social networking website that allows users to post and interact with messages known as tweets. View itself as a news platform as much as social network. Also, retweeting and curation are encouraged to Twitter and well suited to brand sharing blog posts or promoting website content. A Twitter marketing strategy is a strategy that focuses on generating, publishing, and distributing content for your buyers' personas audience and followers by the social media network. The purpose of this sort of approach is to get new followers and leads, increase conversations, raise brand awareness, and increase sales. Or what is a Twitter marketing strategy? Here in Twitter, research your buyer personas and audience. Second, embrace a brand voice. Third, utilize hashtag for Twitter marketing. You can use an hashtag generator for this. Um, for this. Next is determine the best times to post on Twitter. Yes, it is also important to know your time in posting your content. Next is go all out with engagement. Create unique and engaging contents. Organize a schedule for your posts and set your goals and make a move to reach them. And lastly, analyze your impact and results. Now, YouTube. It is an online video sharing and social media platform owned by Google. YouTube provides an easy way for users to save and share videos online. YouTube videos cover any subject that someone wants to publish a video on. These films are simple to distribute via social media, email, and websites, and they may even be embedded in other websites. YouTube represents these opportunities for brands to deepen their connection with consumers through storytelling and education. With brands investing in a video content across marketing channels, YouTube is where your long form content should be before you slice and dice it for other mediums. So here are the 8 YouTube marketing strategy tips for your YouTube channels and videos. First, keep your channel branding consistent with your other social media accounts. Optimize your title and description for SEO and searcher intent. Feature real people or animated faces in your videos, not just words or B-roll. Choose a video thumbnail that accurately represents your video content. Include also call to action in every video, such as your putting your social media account in your description box. It is important also to include those for the people to connect with you. Make it easy for others to share your videos. Create playlists that feature your videos and others. It is important also to organize your videos for the people who want to see your series, if you have one. Next is produce videos on a regular basis and consider doing a video series. That's what I say. Next is TikTok, the most popular application nowadays for young adults. So TikTok is a video focused social networking service. Now, TikTok is a social networking website that allows users to create, share, and discover short films. Young people use the app to express themselves through singing, dancing, comedy, education, entertainment, and lip syncing. And also allows users to produce films and share them with a community with duration from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. TikTok, and through TikTok, users even feel more positive toward content from businesses and brands compared to other social media platforms. So here are the TikTok marketing strategies. So first, grow your brand TikTok presence through research, branded content, authenticity by starting or participating in TikTok challenge, and using the right hashtag. Secondly, collaborate with TikTok influencers. And lastly, advertise on TikTok. So here are the advantages and disadvantages of social media platforms. First, I will be discussing the advantages. First is compelling the relevant content will grab the attention of potential consumers and increase brand visibility. You can respond almost instantly to industry developments and become a niche field. It can be also much cheaper than traditional advertising and promotional activities. And lastly, social media contents can indirectly boost links to website content by appealing in universal search results, improving search traffic and online sales. So here are the disadvantages of social media platforms. First, you will need to commit resources to managing your social media presence, responding to feedback and producing new content. It can be difficult also to quantify the return of investment and the value of one channel over another. Lastly, ineffective use. For example, using the network to push for sales without engaging with customers or failing to respond to negative feedback, it may damage your. That's it. So I hope guys you gain so much knowledge to it and you have gained so much learnings about social media marketing platforms, and I hope you will use this to your maybe your business and any other matter. So thank you so much and hope you're doing well and safe, and connect with me and my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, also in my portfolio website in the description box. And I hope you will subscribe also here in my YouTube channel. So I think this is the end. So stick with me and subscribe for more videos. Again, thank you so much and goodbye.